Hi everyone, welcome to this Java Springboot Microservices course for beginners using ChatGPT. So we have recorded this course at the time when generative AI is indispensable. So with our learning, we also take inspiration from ChatGPT, generative AI from time to time, and this is what we have done in this course. Apart from that, we start from the basics. So anyone who wants to start learning Java from scratch, and also wants to learn the basics of microservices, can tune into this course. We start from Java basics, covering topics like hooks, inheritance, interfaces, annotations, object injection, and whatnot. And then we move towards more advanced topics related to microservices like, you know, service discovery, service registry, uh, discovery client, how do you set up, config servers, how you set up API gateways, and why are all these different concepts required, and so on and so forth. And finally, we also do one small project to understand how two microservices can interact with each other, and so on and so forth. So hope you guys will enjoy it. It would be informative, especially for people looking for, you know, courses which start from scratch and are beginner friendly. I would highly recommend it, and I'll see you in the course. Thank you.